In this video, I'm going to show you how to create carousel ad on Facebook or Instagram. So the first thing you want to do is to come to facebook.com/ads manager, right? And it's going to take you to this windows, right? Click on create to create your ad, right? Now when creating a carousel ad, you can either select sales or lead depending on your business, right? So let's just go with sales, right? Click on continue. So here you can rename your ad to whatever you want to rename it with, right? Let's say you are creating an ad for just name it with whatever you are naming it with, right? Let's just say service one, right? Then scroll downward. Always select asset budget, right? Remove this. Always select asset budget. Click on next to go to the asset level, right? Now you can rename your asset level with the targeting option you want to use. So we're going to use zero targeting in this video, right? Use zero targeting or broad. Now conversion location, you can decide to use message destination, right? Depending on your business, right? And this is where you select the Facebook page you want to use, right? So let's just use this, right? Let's just use this, right? So your message destination, you can decide to just use only WhatsApp or Instagram or wherever, right? This video is not about how to create Facebook ad, right? I've done several videos on how you can create Facebook ads from start to finish, right? Step by step guide. I'm going to link the video in the description of this video, right? So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can create carousels ad, right? Now this performance goes, remove it, put maximize numbers of conversions or conversation depending on the ad you are running. So your budget, your daily budget, you can decide to start with 3,000 naira per day to test, right? Now I always recommend you start your ad by 12 a.m. the next day, right? So select the next day here, come here, type 0000, right? So that the ad is going to start running the next day, right? So that the algorithm does not try and spend the whole of your money within half of the day, right? So you want to start your ad so that it's going to optimize and have enough data to spread within the whole of 24 hours, right? So that's why it's important to select 12 a.m. the next day. Then the audience, you can always leave it at advantage plus, right? You don't need to put anything on interest. See, right now, Facebook know their audience at the back of their palm, right? They know everybody, they know your ID bias, right? So there's no need coming to the audience side or the interest. I'm looking forward to target all that. Leave it blank, leave it zero. And Facebook AI is so smart that they're going to find your ID buyers, your ID lead, or your ID clients for you. All right. Use that time to come up with compelling offers and compelling creative. Right. That's what is working right now. This is not 2012 or 2015. All right. Where you stack a lot of keywords. No, you don't do that again. Right. Now on this placement, you can leave it automatic too. Facebook also know your ID biases. All right. So just leave it at automatic. Click on next. Now this is the ad level. This is what people actually see, right? So you want to rename your ad. Let's say Carousel one. When you come back to your ad manager, it will be easy for you to identify the ad, right? So you scroll down. Now this identity is where you select your Facebook profile and your Instagram account, right? Of course, you can always connect your Instagram when you click on here, or you can just decide to use your Facebook profile, right? So you can scroll down. You see this creative source. This is where you now select carousels, right? Remove it from single images or videos and tick carousels, right? Click on deselect multi advertisers ads, right? And this is where you now add cards. What is card? A series of pictures people swipe on Instagram, a series of slides or images people can easily swipe on Instagram, right? And the best part is that we can replicate that kind of ad, that kind of structure too in Facebook ad, all right, or your Instagram ad. By just clicking on this ad card, right? Click on add image card, right? Then you can click on upload. Click on upload. Then you can browse wherever the carousels are in your computer. All right, let's just use this now, right? So you can just select the varieties of pictures you want to use, right? Now let's say you are service based or you are doing massage. You can show varieties of massage images, like massaging the when you're massaging someone's waist, when you're massaging someone's back and all that, different varieties, right? Then if you are selling physical products, you can show varieties of different colors, different colors of whatever you're selling, different colors and different size of whatever you're selling. Maybe it could be wristwatch, shoes, just different colors and variations, right? Just the way those kind of hard you see big e-com brand running. That's that's the perfect example of Carousel's ad. Now once you have select the image you want to use, you can just come here, just click on them, click on all of them, right? Then click on continue. Right. So just going to use this post, this my Instagram post as an example. Right. Now this is where you preview. This is where you preview the ad. Right. This is where you preview the ad. This is where you preview the ad. You can see the swiping now. Look at it. You click here, it's going to swipe to the next one. 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 Swipe. Swipe. That's how you basically create a carousels hard. All right. So you can use different images. Let's say you're a photographer, you can put in different pictures and all that, right? So it's not just limited to only images. You can also add videos in your carousel card. How do you do that? It's very simple. So just come here, click on this hard card, or you can just edit any of them. Just click on this hard card, right? Then you can decide to click on add video, right? Instead of clicking on add images, you can decide to click on add video, right? And you can upload your video from here. You click on video, right? Now let me give you one pro tip. You can use your first card could be a very powerful picture or image that grabs attention, right? Then your second card could be a video explaining what your business or services is all about, right? So that's how you can basically utilize using videos for your carousels, all right? First image can hook people. Then when they swipe, they're going to see a video that's going to explain everything in details, convince them, and they probably click to do whatever you want them to do. So this is you actually put in your primary text, all right? So let me just use this now as an example now. By the way, you want to make sure that you have written your primary text down. It's not when you are creating the ad, you're going to put in your primary text, right? So here's where you put in your primary text. And your call to action could be send WhatsApp message or you can decide to change your call to action, right? So either learn more, order now. If you are selling physical products, you can decide to enter order now, right? And you're going to see the preview right here showing order now after you have swiped to see different images you have uploaded here, right? So that's how I basically run carousels. And I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video and you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell because I drop videos like this every single week. Videos that is going to take your Facebook ads to the next level and ensure you stay profitable from every single ad you run on Facebook. All right, so smash that subscribe button now and like this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video. All right, and don't forget, once you are through with your ad, always click on this publish button to publish your ad, and your ad is going to be reviewed and approved. All right, I hope you find this video helpful. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.